Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have your company as always. It's a pleasure making a video for you as well. I've just come on today just to film a little bit of the foods that I like to eat, and just basically tell you a little bit about what I do with them. So I done a mini haul at Sainsburys earlier on, and these are the type of foods I like to eat. The tomatoes, Greek yogurt I like to eat, yeah, and the onken as well, zero fat free yogurt, and that's the strawberry, and this one's the vanilla that I love eating. Yeah. I like pasta a lot as well. I eat a lot of pasta, not a lot but enough. I love pasta and I love rice, so I like to have those stacked in the cupboard, and other different types of pastas as well, because these are the spaghetti and I have the other types of pastas as well. These are vegan sausages. I used to get the Linda McCartney ones, but I've been introduced to these by my daughter because she doesn't eat meat at all. I'm considered a pescatarian because I eat fish. I don't eat any red meat or chicken, but I do eat fish from time to time. Salmon, prawns and mackerel, and cod. Those are the four sort of basic fishes that I indulge in. I'm getting a little bit fed up of eating fish of late. I've noticed that prawns is first on the list and I'm getting really fed up of eating, and I really want to change my diet more over to the vegetarian slash vegan, because I don't eat eggs anyway and I don't drink milk, so that's out. I don't drink cow's milk anyway, so that's out of the equation. I do drink almond milk. I've tried like rice milk, soya milk and other couple milks, coconut milk, but I'm just not really happy with them. But I find that the almond is okay. It'll suffice, yeah. So because I can eat that with my cereals, and I can also put that in smoothies as well, and I'm good to go with that. Because it's all about the taste. If there's something that I just don't like the taste of, I just won't have it. So anyway, going back to the sausages, my daughter introduced me to these. So these are the vegan sausages. These are the cauldron. Come on, camera. Yeah. The cauldron vegan sausages. So I'm going to try those. I really fancy doing sort of like a make-believe spaghetti bolognese. So I'm going to do these sausages up with onions and tomatoes and stuff like that, and then cook some pasta, some spaghetti, and see how that goes. So I really fancy that. And I love having mixed veg in the freezer. I always have to have mixed veg in the freezer. I haven't had it for about 2 months. I haven't bought any because they had taken them off the shelves in the supermarkets. In all of the supermarkets, they had taken the mixed vegetables off. These ones are the mixed special vegetables, and they're the Sainsburys brand. And the cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to, sometimes if I'm sitting down reading or anything, I'll just pop a few in my mouth, wash a few, put them in a bowl and pop them in my mouth as I'm going along. So I like to have those. And with the yogurts, I normally have them with smoothies, or sometimes if I don't want the cereals in the mornings, I will have a small bowl of this with a banana, and I really like the vanilla flavor with mango. I really like that, so I'm gonna save this one for the mango, and most probably I'll have a bowl or two of that for breakfast, or if I'm having the munchies throughout the day as well, I'll have that. And the Greek yogurt is specifically for my smoothies, because I've got a lot of frozen fruits that I make smoothies with, so I'll just put a half a cup or whatever of the Greek yogurt into the smoothie maker, and then put some, you know, handful of frozen fruits, whatever ones that I like, I would do that. So these are the types of food that I like to eat. Yeah, so these are just some of the foods that I like to eat, and when I do a bit more shopping, I guess that I'll do a few more videos. I know it's not craft related, but you know, some of my subscribers like to ask me questions via emails and stuff, and this was one of them actually. And I thought, you know, sometimes just a break away from the paper crafts, even though I'll never get bored of it, but just a break away for a little while, it's nice to just make videos of other little things. So that's that really. That's my little mini haul of what I like to eat. So many thanks for tuning in, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe, share it if you like, and comment below. If you've got any questions, just leave them below, or you can send me an email. Many thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye.